morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to have a quick recap of lesson number 3. The name of the lesson was the Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Yes, you heard right, it's Gopal and the Hilsa fish. We will have a quick recap of the whole story. The story begins with the news of abundance of Hilsa fish as it was the best season for that breed. The story begins with the season of Hilsa fish. It was found a lot at each and every place. Clear? As the abundance was very high, the price fell down and it caused a flurry of discussion among the households. Each and every one were discussing about the Hilsa fish as it was found at each and every place. The price of Hilsa fish was also very low and each and every one was discussing about it. Even the courtiers in the palace could not stop talking about the Hilsa fish. Even the courtiers, they were also talking about the Hilsa fish. It made the king angry, and that's why he threw a challenge to Gopal if he could bring a huge Hilsa fish without any inquiring about it. So here the king was very angry, was very annoyed because each and everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish. Clear? So he gave a challenge to Gopal that I'm giving you a challenge. You have to bring a huge Hilsa fish, but there is a deal that no one should talk about the Hilsa fish. Clear? Gopal accepted the challenge. After a few days, what happened? Gopal became half shaven and covered himself with ash, which made his wife curious and anxious. What happened after a few days? Gopal has what he has done, he has half shaven his face and he had worn disgraceful rags, that means untidy dress and torn clothes. Clear? He was not looking attractive, in short. And his wife was very curious. He wanted to know that why he is doing or why he is wearing this kind of clothes, why he has half shaven and all. She was very curious. She wants to know. Clear? When people encountered him with a fish, they laughed at his appearance. Some called him mad, but no one noticed the presence of fish. Now here what happened? Each and every one was talking about the appearance of the Gopal. How he is looking, I think he's gone mad, and all the people were commenting. But no one was talking about the Hilsa fish. Clear? The guards at the palace stopped him but soon reported the matter to the king. What happened here? The king gave the challenge to the Gopal, so Gopal came back to the palace. At the time, what happened? The guards stopped the Gopal and they stopped and they told, who are you? Why are you here and all? So at that time, the Gopal said that I want to meet the king. Gopal appeared in front of the king and won the challenge handsomely. So here what happened? The Gopal was presented in front of the king and finally the king was also able to recognize that yes, he is the Gopal and I have given the challenge. He has completed the challenge and finally the king congratulated the Gopal. Clear? So this was the whole story about the Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So you can understand then how smartly Gopal has handled the situation. Come on, let us discuss few new words. Fishmongers, dealers of fish. You have to note down these words in your notebook. Clear? Second one, majesty, king. Then third one, courtier, advisor of king. Fourth one, simmering, that means sprinkling or to put on. Clear? Fifth one, rags, a piece of old and torn cloth. Misty, strange, ridiculous, funny or very silly. So these are the words which you have to note it down in the notebook. Now let us solve few true or false. The king lost his temper easily. True or false? Yes, he lost his temper. We have seen because each and everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish. So he shouted on the courtier. Second one, Gopal was a madman? No, false. Third one, Gopal was a clever man. Yes, how handsomely, how cleverly he has accepted the challenge and completed it. Fourth one, Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. No, it's false. He was a courtier in the court. He was having enough money to buy new clothes and all, but he has to complete the challenge. That's why he wore the torn clothes. Clear? Fifth one, the king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. False. He did not got angry. He was happy that yes, Gopal has completed the challenge. Clear? So this was all about the true or false. We are going to do the textbook exercise working with language. Change the following sentence in the story to the reported speech. You are going to change the given sentence into reported speech. Now you all know that what is reported speech. Direct, indirect we have already studied. Clear? Here the dialogues are given, but you have to write that who said this dialogue to whom. Clear? See here, first one. How much did you pay for that hilsa? Question mark. This was the question raised by whom? See, the woman asked the man how much he paid for that hilsa. We have seen in the beginning of the chapter. Clear? The woman asked. Second one. Why is your face half shaven? Gopal's wife asked. So let us see here. Gopal's wife asked him why was his face shaven. Clear? Half shaven. Number 3. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal told the king that he accepts his challenge. You all might be knowing the rules and regulations of changing direct sentence to direct to indirect. Clear? I hope you all remember those examples which we have done. Number 4, I want to see the king. Who said this? Gopal told the guard that he wanted to see the king. Number 5, bring the man to me at once. Who said this? The king. The king ordered the guard to bring the man to him at once. So here you have to do this exercise in your notebook because it is your textbook exercise. If you are having textbook, you can note down over there. Clear? And these are the few question answers which you have to note down the questions and try to answer it. If you are not able to do, tomorrow with upcoming video, we will discuss these answers. Okay? So note down these questions. Why did the king want no more talk about the hilsa fish? Okay, it is very easy to do. Second one, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever and how he has proved? What 3 things did Gopal do before he went to buy hilsa fish? You might be knowing. And his wife was very curious to know why he is doing all this. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had brought the hilsa? Fifth one, explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. So these are the 5 question answers. You try to answer them by seeing the previous video. For extra content, please visit Extramark and Diksha app, whereas you can go to this YouTube link. You will get the whole topic. Thank you for the day. Take care.